is Lintang Suyendra. I'm from English course. I will review a product, namely the natural of aloe vera product. Natural Republic aloe vera, something else, is a product of famous skincare brand from South Korea. The texture of the gel is thick and the color is green. Product can be applied of on your skin for various purpose such as moisturizing sleeping pack, best for you makeup, aftershave remedy, hair gel, uh, a max, sunburn treatment, nail essential, and also as lotion for your body. This product contains extract from aloe vera, left alcohol, and spearmint extract. It can also be found in many online shops, Shopee, and also marketplace on the internet with the price around 30 to 50,000 rupiah. Inside packaging of the product is thick plastic with a tight fitting lid on top. The color of the packing is green. Currently, this product is in the form of a tube containing 250 aloe vera gel. The product description on the sticker is presented in Korea. This might not be friendly for users from other countries such as Indonesia. The gel texture allows us to use a small amount every time and to apply to your skin. So it's very economical. The combination of alcohol and mint leaf has made the aloe vera great. This gel the strong. This might relax and fresh for some user, but might also be you comfortable of the other. This product is very good for your skin. It can help you to nourish your skin so you can have beautiful, glowing, and healthy skin. The price my same experience have, but as only need to take small amount of it when we use it. It is going to be worth it. User with sensitive skin may want to be careful in using the product because it contains alcohol. I recommend this product for those of you who have skin problems.